When selecting smart tools for your factory, there's a few things to consider when selecting the right devices and equipment. The most important thing that these devices are capable of outputting and communicating information in some way. You have offline barcode scanners and badge readers that can communicate that information. We can bring that online via one of our edge devices to the server. But everything else, like this smart torque tool here, is something I've used in the past. Things I personally look for and what typically the industry standard is, these machines are capable of an industry standard communication protocol. So we don't need to have high-level controllers or OPC servers and really having a customized deployment tying everything together. Because everything communicates via some standard protocol, we can tie that information together and receive it directly from that machine without some translation layer or databasing required. So when we're connecting to tools like the Culver K-Deucer and inline tool here, we receive that information directly via open protocol, receive the information, put it in results with the manufacturing information on that worker guidance, and all that data is captured automatically because of that industry standard protocol that's all pre-integrated as part of the device.